ease of use really comes down to one question. How quickly can a total beginner get from signing up to a live website without getting stuck? So I did exactly that on all 5. I signed up, built a site, and watched for 3 things at each step. How smooth the sign-up was, how fast I could get a site online, and how easy the dashboard is to use. And here's how they compared. The one that gave me the most trouble was DreamHost. It works fine once you settle in, but instead of cPanel, the standard control panel that most hosts use, DreamHost has its own control panel. So the layout felt unfamiliar, and I spent extra time hunting for basic settings. And signing up can be slow, since they sometimes have to manually approve new accounts by hand. Cloudways was the next trickiest, though its dashboard is actually the most modern and clean of the bunch, so once you're set up, it's really nice to work in. It does take a little longer to get going though, because Cloudways is actually built for running a cloud server, so there's an extra step or 2 at the start, like picking your cloud provider and server size before you launch. SiteGround was a bit easier to use. Its dashboard is clean, and managing your site is simple once you're in. The only catch here was the sign-up. It kept pushing a bunch of extra add-ons on me before it would let me check out. Namecheap was one of the easiest. The sign-up was the fastest of the bunch with no upselling, and it uses a standard cPanel layout, so the dashboard is clean and easy to get around in once your site is live. And the easiest by far was Hostinger. Its dashboard, called hPanel, was clearly built for brand new users, so everything is in plain language and easy to reach. Getting your first site online takes only a few clicks, and overall, everything felt very streamlined and easy for beginners. So for ease of use, Hostinger is my top pick, especially if you're creating your very first website. So whenever you're ready to get started, the links for all 5 hosts are waiting for you down in the description, and going through one of those links gets you the best price possible. And if you go with Hostinger, there's also a full setup tutorial linked down below that walks you through the whole setup from start to finish. If this video helped you out, a like really goes a long way. And go ahead and subscribe if you want more simple, clear guides just like this one. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.